Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today we're going to get right into this and continue to work on the Chevy C-10, the hog, and then we're going to get all of our rear Porterbuilt drop members together here, or our rear Porterbuilt step notch and Watts link and its trailing arms and those parts, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to wire wheel the frame off where we're going to work with the step notch. Go ahead and get that mounted and install these rear Porterbuilt parts. So let's get started, guys. Cue the music. Alright guys, we're going to leave this cross member in until we're all done. We'll take out this cross member, it's emergency brake cable slash fuel line bracket, brake line bracket, these rear factory shock mounts, this rear cross member, its leaf spring mounts, this cross member as well. We got to grind these rivets down, pound them out, and then get everything wire wheeled off really nice where we're going to be working, because the whole frame will get sandblasted and painted when we're all done doing mock-up. But yeah, we're going to get all this wire wheeled off where we're going to work and all these rivets knocked out. So let's do it, guys. finished stripping the frame. Josh has been spending a lot of time on this, like 4 hours, getting all the cross members taken off the back. Had to grind down every single rivet, punch the rivets out, take all the brackets off. You got the rear leaf spring bracket, front leaf spring bracket, 2 cross members, or 3 cross members actually. Punched out all the rivets. So now we got a nice clean base here to be able to start installing the rear Porterbuilt step notch and trailing arms and frame stiffener and all of its pieces here. Watts link. We got a nice clean frame ready to go ahead and wire wheeled a little bit on this side. Wire wheel where we're going to mount our step notch parts here, and then we'll get them mounted up and all the rear suspension components mounted up. So alright guys, we'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll continue this install. We'll get everything installed on the rear of the C-10 here, so we'll see you guys then. Hey guys, back at the Chevy C-10 this morning. Josh and I are going to get started right now, and we're going to get the frame wire wheeled right here where we're going to install the step notches. And then we're going to clean up the frame and do, we got to trim it a little as to Porterbuilt's instructions to get the step notches to fit. Then we'll clamp them on and drill their holes and mount them up. So let's do it guys. Let's get started.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We have built tired. We have built choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves.
Josh and I got the rear Porterbuilt step notch pieces installed. We got the bridge that connects them bolted to them. Now we're ready to go ahead and Josh buttoned a couple clamps on the ends just for extra precaution. And we're gonna center punch and drill our holes and go ahead and run up the bolts through that are required to bolt it down before we cut the center sections of the frame out between the notch, and we add the notch caps on. So let's go ahead and get this center piece of the frame chopped out of here after we get it bolted on. Let's do it.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever we're torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. I feel that I've been chasing dreams, keep holding on to memories, tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead. Through the landscapes I review, I can't be honest, I know you too. Walking down through the fields, I still want you. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. I feel that I've been chasing dreams, keep holding on to memories, tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead. I feel that I've been chasing dreams, keep holding on to memories, tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead.
That's it over here today at Cougar House Garage, guys. We finished the rear Porterbuilt step notch install with its step notch brackets and its bridge that connects them. So we got that fully installed, all the holes drilled except like 4 or 5 because our drill bit broke, as you guys saw in that last clip. So we'll have to pick up a new drill bit on tomorrow, and then we'll finish drilling those holes, run those last few bolts in. Then we need to get the axle out from underneath the old chassis, get that in here, and then go ahead and mock up the axle, the trailing arms, and the trailing arm center mount bracket that goes between the frame rails, cross member. And then we'll get that all mocked together, put it down at full drop, make sure everything's where it needs to be, and then we'll go ahead and drill holes and mount that. And we'll continue with this part of the Porterbuilt install then. So we'll catch you guys then. Today was pretty fun. We got all that work done, cut the frame out. It's pretty easy. It was just a lot of fun working with these Porterbuilt parts. So it was a pretty good day over here at Cougar House. So if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow us there. Keep up with the daily story that I'm pretty active on and all the crazy projects over here at Cougar House Garage. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.
Yeah.